In any retail software, the activity starts with the definition of new item. From the dashboard, we can click define item, or from the items menu, we can click the item definition link. This brings up the item definition screen. We see the already defined items and we can search the already defined items through department, item code or item name, and then press the search button. Pressing reset clears all the search criteria. For definition of new item, we press the new button. Now the screen comes up in a minimal configuration, which means only those fields are seen here which are necessary for the definition of the item. Department, we need to select a department against which the item is being defined. We need to give the item code. Either we give it manually or press the C button to generate the code automatically. We give the name of the item. And the cost price and the selling price, and press the save button. Now the item is added. We see these info icons. When we take the mouse over these, we get additional information about these input field. Also, there is some additional information. We can always provide those. We can assign some attributes if we like. But in the scope of this video, we are learning to save the item in the simplest form. Now, once the item is defined, we can always make changes to the item. So just go to the all item list, either search, or if it's visible, click this particular item twice, or select any item and click the edit button. Items comes in the edit mode. We can make changes, like we can change the attribute, we can change other data and press update button. We can also delete any existing item by pressing the delete button, but only those items will be deleted against which no additional information like its inventory, its sale is done. So item can only be deleted initially. Thank you for your attention.